Hello, I am going to show you how Hi, I want to talk to you about another way to convert your video recording to make it smaller rather than, compressing with Handbrake. So one great tool that can convert your video to another format or to a format with less memory is called Movavi. And if you go to movavi.com, movavi.com, you can download either for Apples or Windows the free software. Now, I've already downloaded it on my computer, so I'm not going to do that now, but you can see here are the places where you go to download it. Once you do download it, let me just get rid of that. Once you do download it, let me show you some of what it looks like. Here's when you open up the video converter, and what you would want is to download the video conversion tool. This is what the screen will look like on Movavi, and I'm just going to give you a little tour. They actually have great help and a tour on Movavi. If you open this question mark, it'll go through each different step, and so you see this is where your audio and video files go, and then this is where you determine how large the file is. This is where you can change the name of the file. This is where it tells you how much memory the file is taking up, and this is where you can have subtitles, etc., etc. And I will just let you go through those on your own, but that tutorial. But I am going to show you basically how you add a video on here, and then what you would want to do in order to make it smaller. So you can see up here it says add media. So if I click here, I'm going to say add video, and I'm going to grab on my desktop, I have this movie of my daughters opening LOL dolls. I picked this one to play with because it's about 30 minutes long, and you're going to need a 30 to 45 minute video when you are doing this yourself. So I picked that movie. Let's see. It didn't load it. Let me give it one more try. Okay. Yeah, it's loading. There it is. All right. So basically, it says it's right now it's 409 megabytes, or actually I'm sorry, it's 1.8 gigabytes, and it's right now it's setting it to convert to 409 megabytes. I need to get under 250. So if you come down here, these are the options for converting. For video, you could convert to WMV file, which makes it a lot smaller. If you want to just keep it in an MP4, you can also do that. You can see you can go to popular tab or video. So if I choose MP4 and then I come to this drop down box, I want to try to make it's good quality at that, but I want to make it smaller. I need it to take up less space. So I'm going to just use this, and I'm going to just go down. In fact, you can just use this arrow, and I'm going to go down to like 225. I'm going to say okay, and then I'm going to click off of that, and it's going to set it at 225 megabytes, which is still good quality. All right, so then I've got that set. I might want to change the name, so I can change the name to whatever I want. Let's see, Haley and Whitney, LOL dolls, and I say okay, and that's going to change the name of the file. Whenever I have the parameters set the way I want, I just come down here and I say, you see where it says save to? This is where you get to choose. Where do you want this to go on your computer? I'm going to put it in my desktop under info 5420. And good. Now I'm going to check it and make sure, yep, it's going to my desktop to info 5420. That's where the video will be saved. And then I say convert. Now it's asking if you get an activation key, it's going to charge you. Or you can just use the watermark. The watermark is not bad. I recommend not paying for not having the watermark. I'm just going to say convert with watermark, which is fine for YouTube. Now it's converting, and it's going to tell me in a minute how long it's going to take. It's kind of running a little analysis first to see how long. And usually it doesn't take very long. It takes 10 to 15 minutes usually to convert, and it depends too on the internet. When I do this at home, it takes about 10 minutes. If you do it at work where you have stronger internet, it might even take less time. Right now it's telling me it's going to take 34 minutes, which is a little long, but I'm in our office space, which has not great internet because they used to build missiles here. So our internet signals are not that great. So it's going to take a little bit longer. But I do want to show you, I'm going to just stop this because I've already, are you sure you want to cancel? I'm going to say yes. Because I've already converted it, and I'm going to show you the converted. So after it was converted, it saved the video for me. And let me just blow this up bigger so that you can see it. Now, you can see right here, it says the data size is now 218.8 megabytes. And the video quality, if I play it, here they are. Okay, that's my daughter Whitney, and that's my daughter Haley. And Whitney's got her LOL surprise doll. All right, I'm going to pause that. Now, the great thing about this is the quality is not HD quality, but it's not horrible quality. So don't be worried about that. Don't think, oh my gosh, the quality. We're not that worried about the quality. We're more worried about the quality of your teaching than the quality of your video. So please don't worry if you're going to lose some quality in converting. But basically now I have this video, this converted video takes up less than 250 megabytes. I can now upload that to Foliotech. So in order to do that, I would just come over here. I'm going to open my internet window. I probably need to log back in to Foliotech. Let me do that real fast. Okay, and then I'll show you where to go exactly, because sometimes people, I think, are opening up. When you open Foliotech, it opens up on the presentation screen, which is the side that's kind of the pretty side of Foliotech. You can get to Foliotech from any of your classes, but I'm going to pick 5420, and then I come over here to Foliotech, and it is going to open on the presentation side of Foliotech. So we have an assessment side and a presentation side. If you come up here where your name is, here's my name, and you see where it says assessment, I'm going to click on assessment, and then it opens up into this white and green screen. Now, yours is going to look different than mine because I'm the teacher and you're the student, but you should see courses listed. So you're going to pick the course where you need to load this lesson, whichever course you're doing the lesson for, you're going to click on that. And then you're going to go to formal observation, and you're going to load your video under formal observation. So after you load it, make sure and click on request review, because it won't, I can't see it, and neither can the field supervisors unless you say request review. And that is how you convert a video using Movavi and load it to Foliotech. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.